Welcome back to Weetzer's Whiskey and Watches. So today we're going to tribute Mr. Walt Disney. And you can kind of probably guess where this is going to go, what kind of watch I'm going to review. But I did some research and I found out that Mr. Disney, after working hours, loved to gather everybody in his office and numerous amounts of people. And one of the best or favorite drinks that he made was called a Scotch Mist. Now, he didn't make it out of this Scotch. There was a Scotch that he had that was, I guess, was imported from England called Black and White. But we're gonna use the old Lagavulin 16 today. Please don't ask me a price. This is in tribute to Walt Disney, so please don't ask me the price. Around 200 bucks. Anyway, so good stuff. We use this for celebration on my youngest son's graduation from college, which just was a few months ago. But Mr. Disney loved the Scotch Mist. Super simple, filled with crushed ice, the Lagavulin. Oh, we got a crow flying over. And then 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon, and that's it. And then we'll garnish it with a lemon zest. So, and then today's watch we're gonna do, obviously, is an 80s version of a Loris Walt Disney Mickey Mouse watch. So, but it's an automatic, so stand by, because this is something you probably haven't ever seen. It's a really rare watch, and there's 3 different models of it. I have 2, so we're working on a 3rd. So let's get this drink started in honor of Walt Disney. All right, like I said, super simple. So let's get this glass filled with crushed ice all the way to the top. And I just crushed this just a minute ago. One more scoop. Oh, let's get a little bit more in there. What the heck? There we go. Crushed ice. We are going to do 2 ounces of Lagavulin Scotch, or whatever favorite Scotch you like. There's 1.5 ounces. And another 1/2 ounce. Voila. Cap this up. We will cut this lemon in half, and half a lemon is about 1 ounce of lemon juice, so just keep that in mind. And oh, you can smell that Scotch. That's no joke. Oh man, this thing won't even fit in here. Well, let's modify this. That usually happens sometimes. That's a big lemon. Let's see if this side fits in there. Holy cow. We do not have a lemon that fits. So, improvise. Squeeze the lemon into the whiskey. Oh, there we go. Now I'm getting it all over the place. Well, lemon's a good cleaner as it is, huh? All right, let's do that. Luckily, this one is pretty ripe, so we got a lot of juice in this one. Easy to squeeze. I'm gonna earn this one. All right, perfect. Now, let's cut a little lemon zest off of this guy. And pop that right in there. Squeeze some essence. And just give it a little bit of a stir. And there you have it, the Scotch Mist. All right, in tribute to Mr. Walt Disney, so... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, thanks, pal. This drink is awesome. I didn't even know my watch could do that. Cheers. Oh man, that's really good. I know why he drank this. That is very good. It's diluted down. It's got not that harsh Scotch bite to it now with all the lemon in there, just freshly squeezed. Plus you can smell the lemon when it comes up to your face. It's real aromatic. This, guys, this Scotch is unbelievable. Now I know why they gathered and did this. So this is really good. I wish I had the original Scotch that Walt Disney used. I'd like to try that, but there's really no comparison right now to this, so unbelievable. Well, let's get down to reviewing this Mickey Mouse watch. Oh, I gotta take another drink. Oh, that's refreshing. Wow. All right, there it is, the Loris Automatic Mickey Mouse watch. Absolutely one of my favorite Mickey Mouse watches. I have a number of them, a number of Seikos, but this one takes the cake. And there's a silver one, which I gave to my son for a college present when he got into college. And then we used it at Disneyland. We got my other son a watch and then my wife. And then I got another one to surprise somebody else. But normally we use them when we go to Disneyland. We just wear them. It's just something we do as a family. So kind of cool. So the neat thing about this watch, it's a really nice kind of dress watch. And it's bigger than most of the Seikos and stuff like that. So the size of this is a 37 millimeter. It's got a Seiko movement from Singapore, 17 jewels. It's got the date. I put it on a NATO strap. It looks pretty sharp, and the NATO is kind of patinaed, so it kind of matches the gold a little bit on the hardware. It's a quick change date, so when it hits 12, man, it goes, bam, it's right there. A great movement. It's got an exhibition back on it. There's a Mickey Mouse symbol on the back of it too. I'll show you this as we're talking. What else is good about this? It's got a glass case. It's not acrylic, so it's a nice glass. And it's only about 11 or 12 millimeters thick. It's not very thick. So it's a neat watch. On a NATO strap, it's a little thicker, but you can afford to put it on a NATO because it stays kind of thin. 20 millimeter strap. Strap width on the lugs. Let's see, what else do we have to say about it? I absolutely love this watch, especially with the hands. Mickey's hands are moving, and it's just characteristic of Disneyland. It's just perfect for that. But yeah, seek this out. I've seen them going for around $700 right now, which is crazy because brand new. I think they were only like 50-60 bucks. They don't make them anymore, and it's a Loris, which sister company of Seiko, obviously, but with a Seiko movement. And I've seen them as cheap as about $165, $170, somewhere around there. But at that point, you're kind of getting something that's not in the greatest of shape. So there's the silver one, and I'll show you that one. And then there's this one, same dimensions. And then the other one, the exact same dimensions, is a skeleton see-through watch, which I think is kind of sharp, but not my favorite of the two. I think the silver one is probably my favorite. The gold is pretty sharp, though. I enjoy wearing it. I wear it a lot, just when we have functions and different things that are going on. It's just a really comfortable watch. So there it is, the Loris Automatic Mickey Mouse, mixed with the Scotch Mist. Well, there you have it, this Walt Disney Scotch Mist. Really good, really good. When you use a quality Lagavulin Scotch like this, you can't go wrong. So I understand why they kind of wound down at the end of the day. I mean, Walt Disney must have been a tremendously busy man, so I don't blame him for even having one of these a day. Who cares? This is so good. Oh, cheers everybody. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's keep doing this. Let's let this channel grow. I appreciate everybody checking it out. Oh, man, I can't stop. Oh, perfect. Yum.